Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is first in first out page replacement algorithm. So in this first in first out page replacement algorithm, generally we read some reference string. Here the reference string is 53696 and so on. So this is called as a reference string. In this reference string, this 536, these are all actually numerical values. But we don't consider these are all numerical values, we consider as data, and this data has to be stored in our pages or frames. So page is related to a process and frames are related to main memory. Now by considering all these reference string, that means all these numbers are data, we need to store in our main memory in the form of frames. Okay? So first of all, to store all this data, we need to consider our number of frames in the main memory. So here the number of frames in the main memory, let us consider as 3. So there are 3 frames in the main memory. For our convenience, just I am writing like this, that is 5, 3, 6, 9, 6, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 3, 6, 2, 6, 5, 3, 6, 1. So just I am writing this reference string in the form of like this. So now what are the number of frames in the main memory? 3. So I am just writing like representing like this 3 empty boxes for those number of frames in the main memory, and at each and every iteration we are going to fill this data in our main memory in the form of frames. Okay, so initially the main memory is always empty, so the empty frame can be denoted with a -1. So here also the empty frame is denoted with a -1. And here also the empty frame is denoted with -1. That means whatever the number of frames are there here in the main memory, those are all empty initial. So by using FIFO page replacement algorithm, we just consider the data from the reference string, that is 5, and this will be inserted in our main memory in the first block. So these are all 3 blocks. There are 3 frames in the main memory, right? So let us insert this data into our main memory like this. So here -1 indicates that is a free frame, right? So just I am inserting 5 into the main memory like this. So after that, in the second iteration, already 5 has inserted in the main memory. Now I am inserting 3, and the next frame is empty only. And in the third iteration, I am just filling 6 into the main memory. Here, so before inserting any of the page into the main memory, first of all we need to check about the free frame in the main memory. So here 5 is already filled, 3 is already filled, but -1 indicates that is a free frame. So we can insert the required page into the main memory here. Okay, so already 3 iterations are over. And now we are going to insert the next page here. The next page is 9, and this should be inserted in our main memory. So before inserting, we should apply the page replacement algorithm, that is FIFO page replacement algorithm. So according to FIFO, first in first out. So whichever page came first, that will be deleted first from the main memory. So FIFO technique means we generally observe in our queue data structure. So in queue data structure, first in first out technique actually follows. So here also, whatever the page inserted first, that will be deleted first. So among these 3, that means among 5, 3 and 6. So which page came first into the main memory? Obviously 5. So that can be identified by the number of entries for 5. That means how long it is actually staying in the main memory. So 5, 5. So 3 entries. So among 3 and 6, 5 came at the earlier. So 5 will be replaced with a 9, then 3, then 6. Now in the next iteration, so this is called a page fault. So while inserting 9 into our main memory, this procedure is called page fault. Why? Because whatever the page is going to be inserted in the main memory, that is not available in the main memory. That indicates that, so if the required page is not in the main memory, we are just replacing the existing page into the main memory. So that is called page fault. Page fault means the required page is not available. That is called page. Now 6 has to be inserted in the next iteration. Here 6 is not the 6 is there or not? Yes, 6 is already there. So simply I am just denoting like this. So 9, 3, 9, 3, 6. So here 6 are already there. So we no need to insert the 6 in the main memory again. No need to insert it again. So whenever this situation happened, that is called page hit. Page hit means, so whenever the required page is already available in the main memory, means that is called a page hit. So here I am just denoting the page hit with a star symbol. So star indicates that that is a page hit. So whatever the remaining are there, remaining things are there, these are all the page faults. So let us go for the next iteration, that is 2. So 2 has to be inserted. Is already there. 2 is there in the main memory? No. So 9, 3, 6 means 2 is not available. So 2 has to be inserted. According to FIFO technique, what I has to do? I has to do one thing, that is, so whichever the page came first in the main memory, that will be deleted first according to FIFO technique. Now from 9, 3, 6, which came first? Obviously 3. So 3 has 4 entries here. Just I'm checking whether how many entries for each and every page here. So 3 has 4 entries, 6 has 3 entries, 9 has 2 entries only. That means 3 came first here. So 3 will be deleted from the main memory, and the remaining things as it is. The remaining things as it is. 9 to 6. So this is a page. In the next iteration, 3 has to be inserted. Is already there 3? No, 3 is not there. So when 3 is not there, according to FIFO, what should I follow? Whichever page came first, that will be deleted first. Among these 3, that means 9 to 6. 6 came first. Why? Because 6 has 4 entries, 2 has only 1 entry, 9 has 3 entries. So 6 will be replaced with the 3 and remaining things as it is. And in the next iteration, 5 has to be inserted. 5 is already there? No, 5 is not there. So according to FIFO technique, 9 will be replaced. 9 will be replaced with 5, then 2, then 3. What is the next iteration? 2. That means we need to check about this page here. So this page is already there in the main memory. 5 to 3. We need to insert 2. So 2 is already there. That means that is a page hit. So just I'm writing the same number of pages along with this symbol, indicating the symbol with the star. So star indicates that that is a page hit. It means the required page is already there in the main memory. And in the next iteration, 1 has to be inserted, which will be replaced according to FIFO technique, which has the highest, or which came first. So 5, 2, 3. So 2 came first. So 2 will be replaced with 1 and remaining. What is the next iteration? In the next iteration, 3. 3 already there in the main memory. So no need to insert it, no need to replace with any of the page. Just I'm writing like this and denote with the star. Star indicates that that is a page hit. In the next iteration, 6 has to be inserted. See that 6 has to be inserted here. By inserting 6, there is no page available 6 here, and something should be replaced. Either 5 or 1 or 3. Which has highest entries, or which came first among these 3? 3 came first. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So 3 will be replaced with 6 and remaining things as it is. Okay. Then 2. 2 is not there. So it will be a page fault. So while inserting 2, which page will be replaced? 5. So 2, 1 and 6. And what is the in the next iteration? 6 is not already there, so it is a page hit. Let me denote with a star. Okay, then 5 has to be inserted in the next iteration. 5 is not there, so something should be replaced, whether 2 or 1 or 6. So obviously 1 will be replaced with 5 and 2 and 6 here. 3 is not there, so something should be replaced with whether 2 or 5 or 6. So 6 came first, so 6 will be replaced with 3 and remaining things as it is. 6 has to be inserted here. So which came first here? Whether 2 or 5 or 3, 2 came first here. So 2 will be replaced with 6 and 5, then 3. So this is also page 4. Then 5 has to be inserted. So 5 is already there in the main memory, so no changes are there here. So 653, it is a page hit. So page hit will actually I am denoting the page hit with the asterisk symbol. Okay. Then 2 should be replaced with something. Here which came first among 653? 5 came here. So 5 will be replaced with 2, then 6, then 3. So this is a page 1. 1 is not there in the main memory. So I need to select one page which came first. Okay, so 3 will be replaced with 1 and remaining as it is. So here this is how we can insert the pages into the main memory using FIFO page replacement algorithm, and we need to calculate the number of page faults finally. So how many number of page faults are there? First of all, we need to calculate the number of pages. So that will be simple now. So just we count the number of asterisks here. So how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many number of pages are there? So 5. And how many number of pages are there? Actually I have given 20 number of pages minus number of page faults, number of page hits actually. So number of page hits. Number of page faults equals to total number of pages minus number of page hits. So it is equals to 15. So there are 15 number of page faults are there. So this is how we insert we apply FIFO page replacement algorithm on a given string with a number of frames. Thank you.